Next work is this file we have created. What will be the structure of the page and how that look like? So let me go here and open the Paint once. After that, suppose there is a scenario, a person is asking you to design a page of different kind of layout, different structure. Or maybe a person has given you the design in that in one page, one section is on the top, one section is in the middle, and one more section is in the college last. Okay. Right. Next, after that, this is one design. Another design, suppose header on the top, and then there is a two block here, two column. Correct. So this is also one design. There can be header on the top, one in the left, one in the middle, and one more in the right, and one more in the bottom. When you open the website look like this only, no? Different blocks will be there, right? The question is how to design the different layout using HTML. Using table we can do. Table we have, table row, column we can create, we can make it, okay? But table is not for this purpose. Table is just to display the data in row and columns. Okay. Now to do this one, you have two method now. One old technique we have frame set, through that we can do. Another one through the HTML and CSS we have to write, then we can do. HTML is required, along with that CSS is required, then we can do it. We have not seen still CSS, so definitely you can't write CSS code. We are aware of HTML now. In that one topic is living, that is called frame set. So using frame set, how to design the page like this? Okay, that we are going to say. Now if you look today, how many pages you have created? Header, footer, home, left and right, and index one. Now see, if I take the example of this file, then this is complete one page, one screen. Okay, this is one screen. Now this screen is divided into how many blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. How many pages you have created today? One page you have called header. So we can call the header.html here. We have one more called footer. We can call here. The content of header will appear in the top and content of footer will appear in the last. And this is called left.html. Left. हाँ हेलो हाँ बोलिए हाँ ठीक है हाँ हाँ रिसेप्शन पे ही है बैठा है कहीं पे अच्छा कहीं अंदर वेटिंग रूम में बैठा ठीक है some people went for the people work in LG software something was missing. I've sent one person with the seal. Hi. Uday, you are in the waiting. Yes, no, should come in chat. Left file is something, right file is something like this. And again, left file is something like this. Assume that this is you are creating individual modules. One module is right, another module is left. One module is footer, one module is header. Once we combine all module one place, then some proper output will come. Okay. Again, left right is done. Come to the home file now. HTML. Then we can write call body. Then we can write inside the body. Align as a center. Align as a center. H1. Then come home. Now write a paragraph. Display some text data. Same paragraph, copy and paste 2 times. Okay, done. Home file also we can run and see. Just simple. Next, after that, we need to combine all in index1 file. In index1 file, we need to combine everything. All the pages which we have created. We need to create some files. Okay? This file is created. From that, create one more file quickly. Create one more file. Create one more new file. Give the file name, do fast. Header.html. Header.html. Or figure.html. First to create marine like this. Footer. Create right one more file to create. How many creation? Okay, index one. Create one more file index one. Now we will follow. Okay. Okay, ready? Now let's go next. From here, we need to come to the index file. In index file, you will open the HTML and close the HTML. Body tag will not use. We will use the next tag called remset. Remset tag open and close. Yeah, tell me. Remset tag open and close. Inside the remset tag, you will write here rows. Row represent height. Row represents the height. Height. Okay. Row represent the height. So in this photo, you can see how many rows are there. Total 3 rows. Total height of the screen is 100%. Total height is 100%. Percentage wise 100%. Pixel, I don't know how much it will be. Yours will be different, mine will be different. Okay, so total height is 100%. In 100%, 10% will be the first row. 10% first row. 70% second row. And last 20% third row. So total 3 rows it will create. First row height will be less, last row height will be little more, middle row height will be very big. Add this. Double quote open, double quote close, and then write inside 3 numbers. Okay. Multiple time double quote is not there. Double quote open in the beginning and close in the last. Okay, done. Now after this, come inside the first row. We have to call the header file. In first row, we need to call the header file. That is called frame. Frame src equal to header.html. Second, home.html. Third, footer.html. Header home footer. Header home footer. Written header, home, footer. Now run this file. See, 3 pages are loading in one page or not. It should look like this. Header, home, and then footer. Okay, done. Okay. Next, after this, okay, let me know. Your page is looking similar. You have to write in header, footer, and everywhere. Your pages are empty. Hmm? Your pages are empty, no? So in header, you write BG color orange, footer BG color something. I'll show you. Okay, just wait. How the page is empty here? You have made some mistake here. Save this file. Compare line by line. Okay. Don't open the body tab and compare this line first. I'll share you this code also. You can use it. What is sent in your chat? Okay. Now working or still error? It's like this. I have sent the code. You need to use that code. If you are not able to type, I send you the code. In this, what is the extra? Just 4 line of code. If you will not save file, definitely error will come. Compare quickly and let me know. Okay. Next is in header file. In header file, can you see what we are written? HTML open close and write for BG color orange. Just write this line quickly. We'll wait 1 minute. One person is writing. Header file. BG color orange. Just write BG color orange. Copy everything, paste in footer file. So why you come daily late? Start half an hour early. Start 8 o'clock. Then you reach half an hour late, no? Daily you reach half an hour late. You remember? Daily you reach half an hour late. So you start half an hour before. You will reach on time. See, in Bangalore, if you start from your source 10 minutes late, at destination you will reach 1 hour late. Okay. If you start 10 minutes before, you will reach half an hour, 45 minutes before to your destination. That much difference happen in the road traffic. Sir, if friends that use a body tag, what will happen? Nothing will display. Nothing. Your browser will be confused what you want to do. You want to display the data or you want to break into multiple blocks. You are mixing both, right? Nothing will display. So it should be in frameset file where you use, don't use body. Use either body or frameset, anyone. Okay, right? So you wrote it? Okay. Footer. Now check your file, look like this. In home file, something is coming. Run index file, index 1. Index 1 if we run, index 1 have this logic. Total screen, whichever the height is there, it's considered as a rows. And then rows you are breaking into 3 rows. 10, 70, 20. Next, in the first row, you are calling a file called header using frame tag. So frame set divide into multiple blocks, and under each block, you will call a other file with the help of frame tag. Frame tag will call a file in a certain block, and frame set will divide the page into multiple blocks. So frame set will divide into multiple blocks, and under each block, frame will help you to call a file. So now what happened? Frame set we follow. Under the frame set we follow call multiple rows. Under each row you are calling one frame. Now this frame is responsible to read the content from this file and display under the 10%. Again, second frame will read the content from home file and display under the 70%. And under last 20% footer will come. Okay, save it. Now we can see once our page should look like this. Border is coming. We can remove the border. We have a property here. Border equal to 0. Border equal to 0. Border equal to 0. You will not have any border anywhere. Border is gone. Page is looking complete clean. So hope looking similar. Okay, now this is the following the first design. In photo we have made the first design. It is following the first design. Now we need to create the second design, then third design. Okay, if working, then create next file, index 2. If error also you can let me know. If error also you can let me know. If working, then also let me know. Create next file, index 2.
इंडेक्स टू में तो वही कर
Okay, index 2 is ready. Okay. In index 2, we have to work on row wise as well as column wise. Both we have to work on index 2. So in index 2 file again frame is required. In index 2 file again HTML and that frame set is required. Okay. And if you look into the photo, you will find one header, one footer, right? So first we have to create 3 rows. First we have to create 3 rows. So write rows equal to 10%, 70%, 20%. 10, 70, 20. Then rows equal to 0. Okay, not rows, border. Border equal to 0. So no any kind of border, no any kind of lining. Okay, now let's create a from previous index file. We can copy these 3 rows, no? We can copy and we can add here. So 3 rows is ready. Okay, 3 rows are ready. In that case, first row let it be, last row let it be. Delete the middle row. First row and last row, delete the middle row. Let's go inside now. Middle row. Open again frame set. Open again frame set and close this frame set. Write calls equal to 25% one column, comma 75% second column, and come inside 25 and 75. Okay, now let's go right inside again, frame src, left.html, home.html. Check now. Middle row, 2 columns are coming or not? Middle row, 2 column is coming. That is under the index 2 file. Something like this. That is following the second structure. Check everyone. Okay, very good. Next, after this, we need to create the third column. So you have to create the third file, index 3. Anyone error? Error, people should say something if you are facing error. If no error, then okay. But if any error, you should ping me quickly. I will identify and make you ready. Okay, go next. Index 3 file. index3.html. Index 2 you can copy and paste. Take the copy of index 2 and paste here. Okay. 725 50 50 and then last again 25. Modify that point and then call one more file you have, write.html. Then this page will be with 3 columns. This page will be with 3 columns. Check now. Something like this. That becomes a which one? A scroll bar is coming, leave that. If height is more, a scroller will come. If you have more content in the file, a scroller will come. Okay. The scroll bar is the next part. Okay, next after this, something similar. Cool. Next, we need to work on header file. In header file, it should look like a navigation. Multiple links should be there. So come to the header file. In header file, remove the p tag. Remove the p tag and write inside a table. Table, keep align left, align center. Cell padding 10 somewhere. TR, TH, A, HREF equal to home. About us. Contact us. Login. register inquiry. Okay, refresh your index 3 or index 2 or index 1. Everywhere you will see the link is available. In all three files, index will come, header will come, and everywhere you will have called link. And next, after that, right here, home.html, home.html, next about.html, next contact.html, next login.html, next register.html, next call inquiry.html. Okay, and so once you click on the link, something else will happen. See, if you click here, content will change there only. Our target is when we click here, the content should change under the middle. The content should change here, where under the middle section. Wherever you click, that content should come under the middle. Top, left, right, bottom will be fixed. Only the content will change in the middle section. So first make your header ready. Make your header ready. Then after that, come to the index 3 file. In index 3 file, the middle frame where you are calling the home, write their name equal to anything, my blog, or not two word, write one blog, ABC. Okay, write name equal to ABC. It can be any name, but write ABC, will write your. name equal to ABC. Name equal to ABC written. Now, in your current page, there is one area. In index 3 page, there is one area. Area dimension is 50% width and 70% height. You can see this middle frame where home.html is loading. What is the width of that? 50%. And what is the height of that? 70%. And that area name is called ABC. In that, by default, home.html is taking the place. According to click, when the user will click, we want to change this file here dynamically. Okay. So first to given the name ABC,
Yes, sir.
save the file. This is in which file? Index 3. Come to the header file. You have written home, about, contact and all. When we click on login page should load under the ABC area. When we click on inquiry.html should load under the which one? ABC area. So for that, in header file now, we have to add a property called target. Target equal to name of that area. Which area? ABC. So when you click on home will open, but where it will open? Under the ABC. Right here called ABC. Everywhere the target will be ABC only. All the places the target will be ABC. Write it and save the file properly. Wrote it. Target equal to ABC, target equal to ABC, target equal to ABC. You will run the index 3 file and click on the links. It will say page not found in the middle. Home will work because home file is exist. The remaining file will say page not found. Let me guide you. I will run the index 3 and when I click here is not found, page not found, page not found, not found, not found, and home is exist. So home is coming. About is not there, not coming, right? But where is coming? In center, right? So right here, target property everywhere. Add quickly target. Okay, got it. Let's go next. So everyone have written target property. Now you will create one file for testing purpose. That is called about. Create a file about.html and then we'll test home and about is working or about.html. HTML you start in this. Body also you start. Write H1. Align center. Put their call about us. Save it and check once. Hope should work. Written. Check now home and about. Both are working. This is the advantage of FrameSet. Without reloading the page, the content will get changed. Same thing happen in Ajax also. Ajax. Same thing happen in Angular routing also. Same thing happen in the React routing. Okay, and in HTML also happening the similar. That is called a FrameSet. We are not going to use this, but you get some logic, no? How to divide the page into multiple blocks. When we click on the link, why the content is coming in the middle section? Because we are given the name, and in that name we are sending the file. In future, once we learn JavaScript, the name will get replaced by ID. You are given the name today called ABC. Which property you given? Name property. Now name property will get replaced by ID. ID equal to ABC. JavaScript will bring the data from somewhere and give to ABC ID. Output remain similar. You have made some mistake. You have not saved the file. Okay. Full page is reloading. Either file is not saved or target property you have not written properly. That is the problem. You can check it. I'll send this file in the group. You can use this also.